Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting a niche and gathering the minimal gear that matters, a clear headset and reliable transcription tool. Once done, set up your payment profile and portfolio with 1-2 polished samples that match the niche. Make sure to apply to 3 to 5 platforms, tailoring each submission to their format and keyword needs. Explain briefly why you fit. This immediate action gets you into rotas faster and starts training your speed under real deadlines. Once you land work, focus on process improvements that compound earnings. Learn keyboard shortcuts, use playback speed and snippets, and create client glossaries to cut correction time. Make sure to maintain a QA checklist and follow formatting templates so reviews are rare. Monitor metrics like jobs per hour, accuracy percentage, and effective hourly rate. These tell you when to raise rates. As you refine, pitch package deals or rush fees to increase per client. You finish by delivering accurate files early, including notes on slang, inaudible segments, and time codes. Explain why each decision was made. Once delivered, request reviews and referrals and offer upsells like verbatim transcripts or caption files for extra fees. If problems arise, poor audio, client complaints, or missed context, first ask for a re-record or clarification, then use noise reduction tools or an AI pass to recover content. This approach protects reputation and converts fixes into repeat business.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.